What's up YouTube, it's your boy Car Venture Reg and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, you guys want to know how to prevent your Q50 or your G37 from getting stolen. So today I got tips for you guys. I actually installed something that you guys should do with your Q50 or G37, so definitely stay tuned onto the video. The first tip is actually quite simple that you could go to AutoZone for. Get a steering wheel lock, man. Get a steering wheel lock. Now I know it's kind of weird, you know, you got this brand new car. Usually you put steering wheel locks on the older cars, like the older Honda Civics, that all you got to do is use a butter knife, stick the butter knife in the ignition, and you know they could be gone. But you know, you usually put steering wheel locks on those cars. No, now you got to put a steering wheel lock on this car, man. Or you can get the brake lock, either or, steering wheel lock or brake lock. I'm not saying that would fully protect you because they have ways of, you know, cutting it open and stuff like that, but at least you're trying, you know, at least you're attempting. And a lot of people not finna go through the chaos of, you know, doing all that just for, you know, a Q50. They just, you know, most likely they'll just be on to the next. Let's talk about something that I installed that I think you guys should do. This will save you a lot and it's really cheap. Get a kill switch. I have put a kill switch in this car and it was only $100 to install it. The best $100 I could spend. So now if I'm at a store or if I'm out moving around, I just activate the kill switch. Nobody can steal it. So I'm gonna show you guys how the kill switch work. I'm not gonna show you where the location that I put the kill switch at, but I'm gonna show you guys how it works, just, you know, for safety reasons, you know what I'm saying? You never know who watching this video, you know what I'm saying? So I gotta be protected. But pretty much, I'm just give you guys what the kill switch do. Pretty much the kill switch, it turns off your starter. So when your starter's not working, the car won't start. So let's go ahead and get in the car so I can show you guys how it works. So right now, the kill switch is not activated. So let me just go ahead and start it. See, I could just start it like that, right? But now, let me activate the kill switch. Just give me 1 second. Kill switch activated. Now let me try to start it. Don't cut on. Look, my foot is on the brake. I'm pressing it. It's not coming on. Can't get anything. Can't turn the car on. Look, I'm gonna do it one more time. It's not gonna turn the car on. But watch this. I'm about to turn off the kill switch now. Turn off the kill switch. Now watch this. It turns on. So, like I said, a kill switch will definitely save you. If you have to park your car outside, or if you're going to stores or whatever you're doing, you know what I'm saying, all you got to do is activate that kill switch, and someone try to start your car, they can do whatever. They can copy your key and all that. The car will not start whatsoever. But that's something that I definitely recommend for somebody who owns either a Q50 or a G37, because these cars is hot right now, I'm not even gonna lie. So definitely invest in that kill switch. Now they have two different type of kill switches. They have one, you have to hide it somewhere in your car, or they have another kill switch to where it has a remote and you could just, you know, take the remote with you, like, you know, put it on your key and either turn it on or off. So I have the one where you have to hide it, but like I said, I can't show you guys where I hid it at, because, you know, for safety purposes, you never know who's watching. But I definitely suggest you go out and buy a kill switch. Please go get one. I am gonna get a steering wheel lock too, because like I said, it's better safe than sorry. So now you really can't go nowhere. A kill switch with the steering wheel lock, like, you ain't going nowhere. So definitely invest in the kill switch. I only spent $100 on that kill switch, and that's including labor, so they're not that expensive. You can take it to your local radio shop, audio shop, wherever y'all, you know, want to call it, and just ask for a kill switch and they'll get it done for you. It shouldn't be much more than $100. I spent $100 for mine. It shouldn't be over that. Another tip that I would say is park it in the garage. If you have a garage and if it's available, park it in the garage. It's nice and tucked in a garage, and, you know, 9 times out of 10, nobody's not opening, you know, a garage and, you know, stealing your car, especially these new garages nowadays. The older garages, I don't know, but the newer garages, you know, that's available today, nobody ain't doing all that. So another tip is just to park it in the garage. Another tip, if you can't park it in the garage, let's say you don't have the kill switch, let's say you don't have the steering wheel lock, which I think you should go get right now. As this video is playing, go get it right now. I mean right now. But if you don't have none of that, you could go on Amazon and it's like a little security box for your key, which means it cuts off the signal from your key. So pretty much how people do it, and it's all over the internet. I'm not snitching on nobody, it's all over the internet how people do this, but pretty much when they go to your car, they hook this thing up to your OBD2, I believe, and they bring this big old wire to your front door and they try to get your signal. Let's say a lot of people leave their car keys like right by the door. You know, people be having their thing where they put the keys right in front of their door and they easily get the signal. They copy it to their dummy key and now they program their key and now they got your car. So what you can do is you can go on Amazon and get like this little security box. I'm gonna go ahead and pop it on the screen for you guys. And pretty much that cuts out all the signals. So if you don't have that, that is another way how you can protect your Q50 or G37 by having that little box or whatever for your car. And another thing what you can do is you can go ahead and put a wheel lock on your car. Now, I don't know if anybody want to keep on doing that, you know, every night, every morning, but that's another thing that you can do. And another thing that you can do is you can disconnect your battery. Like I said, I don't know if you want to be doing that every morning, every night, but if I was you guys, I would literally just go ahead and invest in a kill switch and get you a steering wheel lock, and then your car will be good, trust me. And nobody won't be able to steal your car because they won't be able to turn it on and they won't be able to turn the wheel, and it's going to be too much of a hassle anyways to do all that. So they're going to just be like, you know what, forget this car, on to the next. Maybe you might get a broken window because they tried to attempt it, but 9 times out of 10, once they see the club, nobody's not finna even try to attempt it. But even if they do, let's say if they try to break off the club and all that other stuff, they can't start the car with the kill switch. Definitely invest in a kill switch if you have a Q50 or a G37. Save your car, you know what I'm saying, so you don't have to lose your car. I know a lot of you guys put a lot of money inside your bill and you don't want to waste your money. 9 times out of 10, insurance is not paying what you put into the car. They're only going to pay you what it's worth. So you're not going to get everything back what you spent. And I know a lot of people spend a lot of money on these cars, you know what I'm saying? People turbocharge them, people supercharge them, you know, cosmetic stuff like, you know, adding wide body, you know, everything costs, you know what I'm saying? So protect your investment, protect your car by doing all those things. And like I said, I will honestly recommend a kill switch. I just showed you guys how it worked. And like I said, it's 2 different ones. You can get the one like to where I have to where you hide it somewhere in the car and you just activate it, or they have one where you have like it's like a regular little key fob like this. It will say on and off, and you just, you know, on when you want to activate it or off when, you know, you want to deactivate it or whatever. So, or even if you don't have $100 right now, just go get a club to start off with, or, you know, go get the little box. Do something though, you know what I'm saying? There's too many of these cars getting stolen. The more to where we could try to make it harder, the more of these cars will stop getting stolen, and, you know, we ain't even got to hear about it no more. And these cars is not even on the radar no more. I hope you guys found that video very informative. I hope this helped you guys. I hope that you guys go get that kill switch, or you guys go get that steering wheel light, or you guys go ahead and get that little box that I was telling you guys, you know, to cut the signal. Oh, and stop leaving your key at the front door, just in general. Don't leave your key at the front door no more. You know what I'm saying? Take it upstairs or take it in like the back room, like far away from the front door. Like, don't leave your keys in the front door no more, you know, keep it far away. And yeah, but I just wanted to say that real quick. But yeah, I hope this was very informative for you guys. Hopefully you guys do get that kill switch. Let me know what you guys think about this video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.